Hi boys and girls, we're going to do some calendar again today. This will be an everyday event. So let's say our days of the week first. Can you remember what it starts with or how many days there are in a week? So the week always starts with, it's a one that starts with an S, Sunday. So let's see if we can say them all the way through. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What's that last one that starts with an S? Saturday. 7 days in every week. We don't ever just skip a day. They're always the same every week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so let's look at our numbers. We are already clear up into the second week of September. Wow, you had a holiday yesterday. Does anybody know what holiday it was yesterday? You didn't have to do any schoolwork yesterday. It was Labor Day. We get a day of rest. But today is Tuesday, and what number would you expect to see here today? Let's see, let's count over and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you remember how we say the date? We say today is, and you say it. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Good job. Do you remember what season we're in? That season's going to change sometime down in here in September. I think the 22nd. But what season is it right now? It's still sunshiny, still pretty warm outside. It's still summer. But on the 22nd, it will be changing to the next season. Do you know what the next season is? When the leaves start turning, it gets a little chilly. It's fall. So let's see if we can count up to the 22nd and figure out when on the calendar it says that we're going to be in fall. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. On September 22nd, that's when we'll change over to fall on the calendar. Now, it still might be warm and sunny out sometimes, but we'll all be on the same page and we'll all say that fall begins on September 22nd. Okay, we're going to sort by shape today. We've been sorting by color, but today we're going to sort by shape. So we have things that are all different colors, but some of them are the same shape. And we want to put things that are the same shape in a group together, okay? So over here we have this kind of a shape. Do you remember what this shape is? It's a circle. We have this kind of shape, which is a triangle. And then we have this kind of a shape. This is the one that has those 4 sides that are all the same length. All the sides are the same length. If you took out your little measuring ruler and measured these, they would all be the same size, and that's what makes it a square. So we're going to see if we can find all the circles and put them in a group, and all the triangles and put them in a group, and all the squares and put them in a group. Okay? So I've got a blue circle here. Where does that go? Does it go with the blue triangle? No. If we were sorting by color, it would, but we're sorting by shape today. So all the circles, no matter what color they are going to go together. So I'm going to put my circle with my circle. Next, I have that shape that has 4 sides that are all the same size. And it's blue. Does it go right here? Does that shape match this shape? No. So we're going to put it with the shape that it matches, which is a square. Then I have a green triangle. It's going to go up here with my triangles. And I have a purple square. I'll put it with squares and an orange circle and an orange square and another orange square and a purple triangle, a green triangle, and one more orange circle. Now, do you see my groups? I have a group of circles, a group of triangles, and a group of squares. Now, we'll also be sorting by size, okay? So if I wanted to sort something by size, I'm going to bring my rectangles over here. So I've got these rectangles. And do you remember I have two different kinds of rectangles? I have these skinny, winny little rectangles that have two long sides, two short sides. And then I have bigger rectangles that have two long sides and two short sides. So we're going to sort these by size. They're all rectangles. They're all the same shape, but they're not the same size. So let's see if we can sort them by size. Okay? Stick them up here. All right, so I have a big rectangle here. Where does my skinny one go? Does it go with this one? No, we're going to make another group of small rectangles. There's a big orange rectangle, and a big green rectangle, and a skinny one, and a skinny one. So if I want to sort by size, I'm going to put things that are the same size in groups. So these are my big rectangles, and these are my small rectangles. So this is sorting by size. Okay. Now, we've been talking about the letter A. That's the first letter in the alphabet. And I hope that you found some things at home that start with an A, and you can hear those two different sounds that A makes, because A is a vowel, remember, and it makes two different sounds. It has a short sound and it has a long sound. When it has a short sound, it sounds like ah, like apple. But when it has a long sound, it sounds like its own name. It sounds like acorn. Okay? Do you remember we wrote some words up here last week? We wrote ape for that long sound. Okay? Well, today, I put two words up here that are sight words. Now, you'll be learning all your sight words this year. You'll be, when you pick your supplies up, you'll have some cards that you can practice, like flashcards for your sight words. Well, the first two that I would like you to learn are a and at. So when you see these in a sentence, you'll recognize them. So this is so cool. The letter A is also a word all by itself. When you see this all by itself in a sentence, it's a word. Yes. And at is also a word, A-T. Okay? So my sentence might say, I saw a, here's that sight word, a cat, and then here comes the next sight word. At, I saw a cat at school. I wonder which cat it was. I wonder who it could have been. Do you bring your cat to school? I saw a cat at school. So this week I want you to practice the words a and at. Okay? You can make your own little flashcards till you pick up your supplies, or you can just practice writing them. That'd be a great thing to do. See you next time.